Welcome to today's tutorial. We're diving into the recent update on WhatsApp that makes sending videos with text on your PC so easy. Let's get started. First, open your WhatsApp application on your PC. If you haven't already, make sure you're logged in and connected. Next, navigate to the chat you want to send your video in. Whether it's a friend, a family member, or a group chat, just click to open the desired conversation. Now, it's time to attach your video. Look for the attachment icon, which resembles a paperclip, usually located at the bottom of the chat window. Go ahead and click on it. After clicking the attachment icon, a menu will pop up. Choose the Photos and Videos option. This allows you to select the video you want to share with your chat. Once you've clicked on Photos and Videos, you'll see your files. Browse through your computer to find the video you want to send. Once you've found it, simply click on the video and then click Open to select it. Now, this is the fun part. In the caption bar, you can write any text you want to accompany your video. Whether it's a funny comment, a description, or a simple greeting, it's entirely up to you. Finally, it's time to share your masterpiece. Click the Send button. And just like that, your video along with your text is sent to your chosen chat. And there you go. Sending videos with text on WhatsApp chat from your PC is quick and simple. Enjoy sharing your memories.